boys and girls. It's Miss Sue from Finkelstein Memorial Library, and welcome to Candy Corn Slime. What's better than playing with slime? Can you guess? Well, playing with slime and eating it. Today we're going to make candy slime, so let's see what's in your bag. So you have a tablespoon of confectioner's sugar, marshmallows and candy corn, 1/4 cup each. Some things that you need from home are a container to put your candy corn slime in when you're done, a measuring spoon, this is a 1/2 teaspoon, a bowl, a spoon, and either some oil spray or vegetable oil, whatever you have at home. I didn't include that, and a parent to help you out. All the ingredients are kosher. So let's get started. We're going to need also a microwave, so make sure you have that grown up with you. So you're going to put your marshmallows and candy corn in the bowl. And now I'm going to step away and go put this in the microwave for 30 seconds. I'll be right back. Here we are, 30 seconds later. Make sure a grown-up takes it out of the microwave for you because it's kind of hot. So now what we're going to do is mix it. You'll see it's all kind of melted. And I'm going to add my bag of confectioner's sugar. Now don't touch this yet because it's very hot. And I'm going to add there we go, a 1/2 teaspoon of oil, just so that it's easier to mix. We can always add more. And now we're going to mix it and then mix it up so it becomes like a ball. And I don't want you to touch this right yet because it's very hot. So what I'm going to do is wait about 5 minutes. Let me see, test it, have a grown-up touch it. Up to 5 minutes until it's still very hot, until it cools down a little. Still hot. Can continue to turn it. If it's a little, we can add a little more oil to it. Just going to put a little drop of more oil in it. So it's cooled down, but make sure a grown-up, so a grown-up tests that it's not too hot, okay? I mean, I suggest you wait up to 5 minutes. And our candy slime is done. Delicious. Not only fun to play with, but delicious. I'm going to have a taste. What a delicious autumn treat. Boys and girls, enjoy. Remember, if it gets too hard, put a little oil on it. You can spray it. And make sure you put it in your container. If you don't want to eat the whole thing, and put it away for when you get hungry for a sweet treat. So I hope you enjoyed that, boys and girls. Hope you'll enjoy making your slime and eating it. Bye-bye. I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.